All right. So as you all guys know the topic that we have taken today, we are going to discuss about which is the best platform in terms of privacy, right? WhatsApp, Telegram, so many other social media platforms are out there. Uh, but no doubt, WhatsApp we are using in a huge way, and the reason is only one, just because it's very easy, and also the interface of WhatsApp is way better than any other application, any social media application. But also we can't compare it like from Instagram, from Facebook, from all those things. Basically, definitely, the owner of Facebook and WhatsApp is the same now, just because in 2014 it has been sold, like WhatsApp owner to the Facebook owner, Mark Zuckerberg. And there is so many things nowadays going on, especially in terms of the privacy, right? And that's why we are so much concerned about the data part and all those things. Okay, in my in my opinion, or in my knowledge, whatever I have read on the internet, in terms of privacy, still the messages the messages that we are doing with each other, with our friends or with our relatives, that that cannot be still read by WhatsApp, just because they will still use end-to-end encryption. And what happens in this end-to-end encryption, that if I'm messaging to Saurav, so Saurav and me can only read that message. No other third party or any, even the WhatsApp, they also can't read your message. But what they can do, I mean, according to new policy, I mean, if until today I haven't got any kind of confirmation on my phone that I have seen on internet or YouTube. Like, so many people are showing that such kind of policy, that we have to agree on that. If we are not agreeing, maybe after 8th of February, uh, we have to, I mean, the WhatsApp will not let you use his WhatsApp, right? But I haven't got any kind of privacy, so I don't have a much more idea. But according to the other people basis, what I have seen, like, what WhatsApp can do with you, they can use your whole data, which is in your phone, not whole data, but like the battery, the network, and which model you are using, right? I mean, just after just allowing them, like, if you are doing, if you are agree with them, they can even do whatever want to do with your phone. But when it comes about the messages, I think that is not easy. And also the main thing, that if there will be such kind of privacy, so we have to keep the account things, like we don't need to share our account detail. I mean, that is something that is sensitive also. Or if someone will get, we can be in a bad situation, so we have to refrain ourselves from that. Otherwise, we can just be, we can use that. And a person who is more and more concerned about the privacy part, what we can do, we can keep refrain ourselves from using the real name, the profile picture, and the status. If you are not using your status, your profile picture, and your name, this is how what they can get from your phone, the only the battery information, and like the which model you are using and from which place you are using, right? So this is the only thing they will get to know, not the whole thing. So I think I have given a little bit idea. And when it comes about the comparison nowadays, if there will be such kind of privacy issue, then definitely we have to move to some other application like Telegram. And also there is one application nowadays that is on a trend, like Signal, I have heard. I have not started using that application, just because definitely whatever the social media platform we are using, just because there are lots of people, whether they are our friend or relatives or whoever they are. When it comes out the Signal nowadays, very few people are using, but maybe in coming days they can use. And WhatsApp is still, all the people, majority of the people, they are using WhatsApp, and we are also using. And in terms of privacy, I have mentioned that this is how we can save ourselves from getting be uh, like traced by the WhatsApp or whatever it is. And like in 2014, WhatsApp owner has just assured us that they will never try to give you any ad on the WhatsApp, and still we are not getting any ad. But yeah, if WhatsApp has data like Facebook, very well. If we are messaging someone, like in Messenger, what happens in Messenger? They can see your message. I mean, the Facebook Facebook can see your messages, but it's not the case in the WhatsApp. And it is the case in business WhatsApp, just because in business WhatsApp there are so many people, so they can also see your message, but not in a normal WhatsApp that we are using. And it will be still there. I mean, your messages can't see anyone just because they will still use end to end encryption. So this is the thing from my side. And if if we have to share something so personal and that sensitive, or maybe it is very uh, important for us, we can use other platform like Gmail, or maybe Telegram, or any other thing that is totally safe. So this is all from my side. Now, Saurabh, if you want to keep your perspective, you can. And if you have any
Yeah,
doubt,
listen you.
you can also. Yeah, go ahead.
No, yeah, I listen you carefully, and I got your point that you mentioned that the WhatsApp cannot read our messages.
Yeah,
What about what we are talking about with someone else? Yeah, the main issues was happening since then when the same the WhatsApp parent company is the Facebook, and we know what Facebook reputation is in front of us. We all know how the Facebook work. There already a case that the messages of all people are the privacy breach due to the Facebook company, and we all know that the WhatsApp is a WhatsApp parent company is Facebook, and we
yeah,
and there might be some case that I also read that privacy policy updated privacy policy notification that they are mentioning that they are not giving any ads in between WhatsApp. But if they do so, they will inform us about that before 2 or 3 months before or something like that. They will give us time that we will starting the ad something like that. Yeah, but there are more other platforms like we can say like Snapchat. If you read you read the message, and if you go back to the main list after that, you cannot read the conversation again. If you took the screenshot, the same thing will shown to the sender side that you have already taken a screenshot of that. And Telegram is much more comfortable as compared to WhatsApp because there's a lot of features as compared to WhatsApp. But yeah, as the WhatsApp is so highly grown company, not like others like Signal, the competitive company Signal. In some after some years, it will take few years, few months to reach that download as compared to WhatsApp. But it will not sure that it will do. But in my but I think that there will also some application which will compete the WhatsApp, and which may we win. That's all from my side.
yeah. I still like Telegram, but Telegram is still use some all the things, and they also keep everything on cloud, and it is good. I mean, the main thing, if there is something, definitely the main and more the foremost concern about the privacy part, right? So if you are sending any sensitive videos or anything, or if something is very important for you that you don't want to let other people know about that, so what we can do, we can use a email medium, right? Or maybe there are so many other medium that we can use. So this is how you will have your data. And in 99% cases, as you will talk about us, I don't think any more important data that I have, that WhatsApp can take, and they can do anything with me, right? So in this case, we don't need to be a fear. We don't need to be in a fear. But if you still want, you don't let your data, you don't let your even emails or your real name to the WhatsApp. You don't need to use your real name on the profile picture. You have to remove your profile picture, and also don't use status if you are very concerned about that. I mean, it's all up to you, right? And apart from that, I have already mentioned that we can use so many different medium. Yeah, Kajol.
Yeah, so as through you also mentioned many points actually, and you're right that for our for our privacy, we can just remove our profile photo and name from the about section. And in fact, today I also use this actually after watching the video, after searching over it. So I used it because we generally used to. I think we generally used to, we generally use small things, but I think that is really important for us.
Yeah.
And as you mentioned that if you do the private chat with your friends, with your any relatives, so at that time the message will be not leaked. But when you talk with any business account, at that time your data can be taken
Seen
by the
by
WhatsApp.
other so many people just
Yeah,
because your business
yeah.
account is at attached with so many people. The main reason.
Right. So I think at that time we should just aware about this, that what we are sharing with
Yeah.
anyone. So rather than just chatting with that thing, I think we should just talk with the business person in call. I think that will be helpful.
Yeah.
That will be better for
Call
rather
is
than
also
chatting.
best medium.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
And second important thing, like before this, I generally used to share the password with my friends of anything in WhatsApp.
Hmm.
So I must take precaution for it. Like I will never share any password or anything in WhatsApp now. Not till now, but I think that is really important. We should aware about this, that we didn't share our password in WhatsApp or anywhere, any platform. That is not right, I think, because it can hacked by hackers and can maybe, like in future, if you are earning, if you are like doing something, then you may be hacked by something. Because nowadays we are students, we don't we don't care. Sometimes we don't care, but in future we have to think about our future too. Like we will we take precaution from now onwards, so that it will be helpful for us in future also. And second important thing, that we we are using WhatsApp from many years, I think, like 4 or 5 years, maybe someone is using from starting days. So I think we are just addicted to the WhatsApp. So I think rather than deleting rather than deleting the WhatsApp gradually, gradually, so I think we should just shift ourselves in some other platform too,
Yeah,
like
it's more
Signal
about the
or
need.
that
Like Kajol,
my no,
it is also, it is also about the addiction, but it's also more and more of about the need. I mean, if the same,
yeah.
if we are getting on another
So
application,
yeah,
it
yeah,
then
you're right. I'm saying that we can just change our platform slowly. It's not like drastically you just change the platform. It is not possible, because we are addicted to that platform. We should shift other platform. We just can't stuck on only one platform. That is not good. We are addicted with only one platform, and I think that is not right. We should just shift ourselves with other, like we should be flexible. Like what we what updated will come in our life, we should accept it. So I think that is necessary. We should be flexible, first of all. And I feel it because today I watch a video where they generally used to say that we are just stuck on only one thing. That is not good. We should be flexible, so that when some changes are arrived, so we are easily comfortable with other thing also. So that is very important thing, I think. So yeah, that's my point. And I think, yeah, mm, if I get some more point, then I will mention.
yeah, okay. Just answer me, Kajol, one thing. Did you get any privacy kind of thing to agree on your WhatsApp?
Sorry.
Yet have you get any kind of,
Maybe,
have you gotten any
Dhruv,
kind of
maybe,
privacy term and policy?
maybe I have got some privacy kind of thing some days before, and I didn't read it, because I'm doing something and I just click on the OK button, and I think that was
Okay,
not
okay.
right.
But
We should be aware.
I didn't get
No,
any.
I forgot to read actually. Generally, I used to read, but I forgot at that time. And
Okay.
after listening this news, I am generally awareing myself. So yeah.
I mean, you don't need to fear even if you have agreed, right? If you
Yeah,
have
you're right.
agreed
You're
on
right.
that, you don't have to fear. But yeah, your data in terms of your model number, your IP address, your battery information, these information they can get. They can't get every single
See,
thing, right? So this is just
yeah, I think IP. See, I think, yeah, if they take the mobile, what we are using, what operating system we are using, or what is the battery level of our, that is okay. But I think
exactly.
IP address is also not okay.
I mean, it has nothing to
So
do with
we
you.
should.
I mean, we are not a ISI person or a government agent or raw agent that they will hack our
Right.
IP address and they will
Maybe
hack us.
you know.
Then we can use
Maybe
VPN.
some kind of thing happened in future. What
Yeah,
I'm saying,
so
that
for
maybe
that,
something is happened. Yeah.
For that, if you are concerned about your IP address, that no
Then we
one
can use VPN,
VPN,
right?
yeah,
Right.
that is the best thing that
Yeah, right.
if we are doing such thing that I don't want to let any other people know about my privacy or IP address, then we can use VPN part, right? And
Right, right, right.
just because you have agreed to now WhatsApp, what can do? They can use your profile picture. I mean, they have now your profile picture, right? And this data they
Hmm.
have, and your name, and
Right.
most all the time we also put something on status.
You know,
They have
yeah,
idea of
you
that.
know, one more thing is that in 2030, in 2014, WhatsApp said that they will not,
Yeah, yeah,
share
yeah.
our data or anything. But now he just changed. Maybe, now he is saying that we can't read like personal messages, but after some year, they will just say that we can
Yeah,
also
if
share
they
that
will,
personal data.
if they
Maybe it will
know,
happen. So,
if
so
they
it yeah, so it will be better that we should aware from now onwards. So I think it is very important. And second most important point I want to mention that
Mhm.
in Europe, I have read that I have actually watched the video. They share that in Europe it is not going to happen that there is no need of like as we use the privacy. So in Europe there is no data sharing happened because government makes a law, strict law against it. So that's why in India it is not happened. So I think we should be aware that there must be some law regarding this so that it
Not
will
so many
be
laws.
helpful for us.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
agreeing
Actually, I
with
will
you,
share you
Kajol.
a video. I will share you Dhruv a video
Hmm.
yeah, yeah.
where he had mentioned about the laws. Actually, in
Yeah, there
Europe, it is
are
not going to
everywhere.
happen. Actually,
Like Kajol, laws
yeah,
is everywhere. But just think if government want
yeah,
that
strict
data,
laws. Exactly, exactly, exactly.
even
Hmm.
when government want that data, then who can interrupt them and who can deny them that I don't want to give data?
Yeah,
Government already
yeah,
want. So this is the main
yeah.
problem also. If
Hmm.
like Paytm has data, all the
Hmm.
other thing they have data, so government can ask to them that now you have to share data with us, so they can know your
Right.
way of interest. And like we are using Messenger, we are using uh, Facebook, so they can read your every single message. So might if you are
Hmm.
talking with your friend, I want to purchase a shoes, so maybe next day or or after 1 week or 2 week, you will started getting
Right.
notification, or at that
The
time
same ad. Right.
notification on the picture of shoes, just because they know
Right.
your interest, and this is how they make money. This is the only way to make.
Actually, I have seen that in Europe it is not going to happen, and I feel good that in Europe it is not happening, and it is because there is a strict law and it is implemented actually there. So I think government should take action in India too. So yeah,
in in
that's my
in
point.
Europe side or maybe in America, I don't have a clear idea about it, but they
Actually, I will
also
share
use
you the video. You will
government,
just watch it. Yeah.
government
Mm.
has used public data
Yeah. Right.
for
Right.
their
Right.
political purpose, so that is also not good,
Hmm.
and it has never done in
That
our
is also
India,
not
so we
good.
have to proud about it
Hmm.
at least. Okay, Monty. Monty, are you there?
Yeah, bro.
Go ahead.
So, good evening, guys. So, like in my point of view, what should I add? You guys already discussed about the inscription, about the WhatsApp new policy, and recently I got the message also from the WhatsApp, but I
You also
haven't read.
you
Like,
also got the message
yeah,
or
I
agree.
got the message, and but I just agree. And many times I do, like whenever I install some of the apps like Telegram and many other apps, I just allows myself, and I haven't read, and most of the people do. So
Okay.
from now onwards, I definitely check this thing and allow the main permissions like location and whichever things
They need.
that the app asks. So I just allow and I never read about it. So what like people can do is like there are so many hackers, they will breach our data. And although the Facebook data had also breached, I think from the last year. So now we are, I mean we are the so small people, so how we can protect ourselves from this? So we have to check that on which app we are giving our permissions, and about our cameras, and about everything that the app needs about the permission. So we have to protect ourselves by these method. So we go to the settings, and where the permission option is there, in which we can secure ourselves by mm, I think deselect that apps that we are not using. I mean, we can allow the permission only those apps that we are using. And nowadays, we are, I mean, the maximum of the person using WhatsApp because it has very good features. And so, if we want to protect ourselves, so we can, like, you guys already mentioned the good points, like we select that option and we are not sharing our profile with someone. But many times, what happens, the maximum of the youth, or although doing like they want to show their profile to someone, that's why they were uploading that.
Mhm.
And yeah, and although we are not sharing the account details, and many times we can, because the person from India, I mean, like me also, I don't have a kind of good knowledge about these kind of apps, but I share the good stuff, or we say the important stuff of my and my mother, of bank accounts like Paytm number, everything I share on the WhatsApp only. So next time, I think I am aware of that thing, so I can use the different app. Because recently I had watched one video. In that video, the guy was saying that you can change the I mean apps within the week, or we say that within the year you can change the different app, and you can change the source on which you are sharing your important data. And although I want to also talk about the like TikTok, recently TikTok had banned, and it is also about the information of India has been breached. And like the China using it, that's why the India had breached that thing. I mean, ban the TikTok and other various apps like UC browser, because they have the kind of artificial intelligence, so they were taking our data, kind of thing. And I don't know what they are taking, but mainly about the location and everything, every permission we can allow. So they have the very good, I mean, engineers, so maybe what they take. But next time, I think we can protect ourselves by these methods, although we don't have any kind of thing. But if the government can do something, so they can, I mean.
They also need our data. What
Yeah,
government?
exactly.
Yeah, even
They
the
purchase,
network operators take our data. Like
yeah, sorry.
whenever I call with some customer executive like Airtel, they told me that you are using a Redmi Note 7 as phone, and this thing and that thing. I shocked at how they knew about that,
Yeah, it's
how
normal.
what I'm using, which
Nowadays,
device. Yeah,
now it's very, very normal. Even the whole application you are using on your phone, the application that you have installed, they all have your this data. Which phone you are using, what's your location, what's your IP address. This is normal thing. Everyone knows.
yeah,
How many applications you have in your phone? All those people, all those owners, they have your this data at least. Which phone you are using? I know very well about it. So it's normal
yeah,
There are,
nowadays.
I think, there are many fraud
yeah,
calls, like from the last 2 months.
yeah. Phishing calls,
There are the
the
10
number of
fraud
phishing calls
calls. Yeah,
increases.
there were 10 fraud calls had coming on my mobile. I don't know why, how they had taken number. Because on the Instagram there were so many sites were there. I had just ordered one like cargo jacket from that site, and the jacket haven't come
Mhm.
yet. And there
Yeah,
were 10
those
fraud calls
things, right,
calls
mostly.
were come, and they're just taking my data. They were just saying that your sim has been blocked within 2 days, so you have to tell about the OTP. But I
Hmm.
know that it is so, like fraud call.
It is
They were
fake.
so asking like, you got the
Yeah,
bumper
yeah,
prize
yeah,
of 4,000
Yeah.
cash.
yeah.
I was so
I
surprised, like how I got
also,
the bumper prize of
mm,
4,000 rupees. Yeah, I also Drew. I also recorded that audio, and
Mhm.
I mean I had just abused him like a hell. That's why from he just cut the mobile.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I
I,
think we have beware of that. And my one day what happened, like the same thing happened with my friend's mother. So she was so happy at that moment, and she gave her Aadhaar number to that call. Yeah,
yeah.
so we haven't shared these kind of
yeah,
things. Like also you
yeah.
can, yeah, you all guys aware that bank also provides such kind of messages that we never ask you about the OTPs.
For anything.
Yeah, the bank
Yeah,
doesn't ask
so
us for that thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
hmm, yeah,
Even the
exactly.
Telegram, the Telegram subscribers have increased within few days after the WhatsApp privacy breach. The Telegram got new 25 billion downloads. The people are now starting downloading the Telegram. They got 25 new 25 million new downloads.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely.
due to this privacy breach on WhatsApp.
Yeah. And like now, we have few more time. So let me like we are here four people, but let me clear you guys the main thing. Okay, what I know and what like till now I've been thinking all about it more than years and half a year. Definitely, I haven't worked in this part, the data part. But let me give you one clear instinct that if anybody, even they have your account number, you also know, I also know, they can't do anything with that. That's because so many people have other people's account number. Even they have your Aadhaar number, they can't. The only thing they will know, they can know your mobile number and they can know your address, not more than that. But when it comes about the money part, like Monty has just mentioned and Saurabh, you all guys have mentioned, so you have to be aware. If someone is asking about the OTP or password, anything, then you have to keep in mind, I don't have to tell anyone. This is how you can save yourself. Now the main thing is then why we are more and more concerned about that if WhatsApp can take our data, so any hacker will hack. No, it's not gonna happen. You know very well, we have been using Facebook for so long time, right? But none hacker has hacked our account detail or anything, just because it is not possible all the time that any hacker, and why they will hack your account. If they can, they will go to hack PM or maybe CM or any high personality account. Okay, but it's not possible all the time. It is possible, but yeah, let them do. But in the case like we are thinking they can hack our account, it's not possible. Why they need data? The main thing, why they need data. Just imagine in next year, in next coming year, still data is something that is very very precious. But in coming years, it will be the new fuel. Like now we are using petroleum, all those things. But in current year and also in coming year, data will be new fuel. Take example of China. They have grown up so much in this field, data science. They have a lot of data. Just take an example of WhatsApp. Even when the WhatsApp had data, like take a simple example of Facebook. Right now Facebook have your every single information, every data. They know what you like, they know what you don't like, they know with which girl you are talking, and with at what age so many boys are interested to the girls, to the boys, all those things. They have every single bit of information. That even nowadays online education is going on, so many classes we are taking, so they know at what age student, parents and all other girls, they are interested for online education and which are not. This is how they have data. They know every bit of thing about your interest and your hobbies, and why it is so. I mean, what they can do with it, they can sell it to the other company, and company can sell you the product, right? Like if I'm very very interested about the online education and I'm watching it every single day, I'm searching it on the net. Now what they will do, they will give it to the online education company. Now they can directly send me the ad, and this is how I will be interested, just because I want that. This is the whole idea, the data idea, that they can't do something more with you, but at least they know about your interest, so they can sell you something that even you can't imagine, right? According to your interest, ultimately you have to take the decision. No one can take that privacy and that part from you. No one can snatch from you, right? At the last you have to make your mind. At the last you have to take the decision. So don't worry about that. You have a chance, you have at least a kind of opportunity that you can take your decision. So this is how they are. That's why so many companies now take an example of government. Why they want your data? Just because if they have data, they can give you a better ad. They can make you more and more emotional fool, right? They know like our people in which if we will spread propaganda, so in which part people will attract to us more, and very well known nowadays, right? So this is why data is very very important. Like they can use their data, so they can make you their slave, you can say, or whatever they want to sell you, they can sell you. Just because if they are selling, this is how everyone will start making money, and when there is the money, everything is just neglected. And nowadays and in coming days, data will be everything, and everyone will have your data, you will have other people's data. just normal. But at the last, you guys have your opportunity and you have to use your brain. Where I have to put and where I haven't. But still, if you have put, don't worry about that. Still, you will get a chance that you can be fool or not. Like the OTP part, you know very well. Like if you somehow you might have put your email number, your email and number on any other website, you know, and they will call you. So now you still have option that you want to tell them OTP or not. But this is how we can be at least tension free from that part. I mean, don't worry, no one is going to do anything with you if you don't want. But yeah, they know everything about you. This is the only thing. Now, if anyone wants to make any point, you guys can make, or we'll
Yeah,
just wrap up.
yeah. There is also documentary related to this. I hope that you guys watched that. The name of documentary was The Social Dilemma on Netflix. They told things that how these internet connections are doing, how they make people fool, how one person can using their social media platform from 1 to 10 minutes to 2 to 3 hours. They tells you everything about how these things are connected. I advise you to watch this documentary, The Social Dilemma. Good documentary on that topic, on this
Yeah,
topic.
exactly. Okay.
Uh,
Okay, I
if
mean it
you
is a
are
series, no?
not a series, a documentary, it's a movie arts maybe.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Monty, you want to say something, or we have to wrap up now?
On the founder, the analyst of Facebook, WhatsApp, they are all saying that things that how we let people use social media account for arts and arts, how they manipulating us.
But they are also at the same time giving so many people opportunity. It is all up to you that how you are using. Now you are more aware. Now you are enough brain to use that
Yeah,
at what time you have to use. So many people, they are using same Facebook, same Instagram, and they are making their life. So now I think it's people to people also depend. So we have to be more and more aware. Take that opportunity. I think this is what we can
yeah,
do.
it depends on people to people how we use our data, how we use our mobile phones. There are two sides of coin. How we can see that
Mm.
we can take this thing as a good or bad opportunity. It all depends on us.
Yeah. Even if you will go and you are taking it
That's
as a
why many times what the government can do.
mm-hmm. Monty.
Yeah, I was saying like that's why when there is some kind of agitation is there in any part of the country, that government first of all check out the social media, because maximum of this kind of stuff, I mean, or propaganda can start by the social media only. Because if you want to connect with someone, so these WhatsApp and Insta and Facebook, these are the only source by which you can connect more and more people. So although it is very good for us, and
Yeah.
although it have the bad effects, so we have to make sure that what we can do, I mean.
Yeah. Just because in coming days, Monty, it's not gonna stop, right? It will increase. It will increase more and more and more. We don't have choice to just get back or step back. We have only choice to learn how to live with it and make ourselves also use of it. I mean, the same person who is giving you the knowledge about it, whether it's a good or bad, they are using the same social media. They are using the same, YouTube or so same platform to make you aware, right? So still they are also
Yeah,
using. So you can imagine that
exactly. Yeah.
how much it is useful for how much useful it can become if we want to make it. Right. I mean, every information, even I'm speaking with you just because I
Mhm.
have read it somewhere, I have watched somewhere, or I'm still reading on it. Right. It's still the same information, the good information, the bad information, same information I'm getting from the same platform. I think this is how we have to construct our mindset. Yeah. This is all from my side.
Yeah, exactly, bro.
And